Some high school classes are harder to convert to online learning than others. Consider hands-on skills like woodshop, band. But culinary students within the Shawnee Mission School District are doing their best to adjust. 41 Action News reporter Emma James shows us how.
When the school's cooking facility had to close down, culinary instructors realized their students still needed that hands-on experience, and it's not something they can get on an iPad. For culinary students, instructors say it's best to learn by doing. Students within the Shawnee Mission School District would normally be working alongside professional chefs. They get to learn tricks of the trade firsthand while running the Broadmoor Bistro. With students now getting their education from home, culinary instructors have to adjust.
We wanted our kids to continue to keep cooking. Food provides nourishment and happiness.
Matt Ziegenhorn says the school is sending home food kits with students and asking them to get creative.
We give them the basics to prepare a meal for their family, so we're sending home a meal for like a family of 4.
Students are asked to share their work on social media and talk about their recipes in Zoom sessions. Sophomore Victoria Major says cooking from home comes with a learning curve.
I kind of have to verbally talk more and just kind of communicate better because they're not actually here to show me how to do it with my hands, so I kind of have to ask a lot more questions.
The school is also partnering with CNC Produce to provide mystery kits for students to use in their recipes.
It's always a benefit anytime that you can help the next generation of chefs or the next generation of people that are going to be using produce.
Instructors say it's been a challenge converting their lesson plans, but like other educators around the country, they do it because it's a passion.
We're in a new world going forth, but I think that we're all going to be a little bit stronger coming out of it.
Emma James, 41 Action News.
And that is a recipe for success.